Hi Elena, this is Susan Davis. I'm doing a little screen video for you. When you log into the back side of the website, click on Jetpack right here and go to Site Stats. And then go all the way down to the bottom here and you'll see subscriptions, and here's the blog. Click on that. Here's all your subscribers. So I hope that helps you out. Also, while I'm here, let me tell you that your software is really outdated. See, please update now. This is really old. We probably need to do that. But I caution you before you do this, and I can do it for you, but what happens if you upgrade your software, then all your plugins that are running on the website, if they're not compatible, then they're not going to work. So actually you only have Jetpack running, which is what works your subscription box and your security, so it probably wouldn't affect it. But that's something that we need to do, is upgrade the WordPress software. So okay, that's it for this one. Have a great day.